All right, welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to download Slack on a laptop. So before we get started, I just want to say, please be sure to stay to the end of this video so you get the step-by-step information on how to download and install Slack. So first we're going to actually go to Google and type in Slack download. And here it is, Mac downloads for Slack. And it's going to show us here, you can download it. I'm going to download it. It's just going to take a little time to download. All right, so it's downloaded successfully. I need to open my downloads folder and go to Slack and double click the disk image. And here it is. It's going to just say move Slack over to my applications folder. So now if we go to my applications, within this folder, it's going to have Slack, and you can double click it to open. We're going to verify that we do want to open it. It's going to ask, do we want to allow Slack to access files in our downloads folder? I'm going to allow. And here it is. It's running Slack, the application, on a laptop. Thank you very much. That's going to be it for today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.